If you are a beginner and if you don't know what is MIT App Inventor is, then this video is perfect for you, because in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can open the MIT App Inventor. From that I will teach you how you can export the application inside your phone by covering all the basic details before using the MIT App Inventor. If you are new here and if you want to learn more thing about the MIT App Inventor, they take the reference of the source code. I already uploaded source code related to the MIT App Inventor on the astro.shop. So visit astro.shop and download few of the as file, that means source code, and take learning from that and learn more thing about the MIT App Inventor. So I'm Devendra Koi, you are watching Pixel YouTube channel powered by Astro. So without any ado, let's start today's video. MIT App Inventor. So after searching MIT App Inventor, here you will see the first link, that is MIT App Inventor. I'm zooming in. So you have to click on this link, and after clicking on this link, click on the create app. So if you want to know more about the MIT App Inventor, then you can explore the dashboard. So after clicking on the create apps button, here you will see the Google sign in form is where you need to sign in with the Google. So I'm doing it. After signing with Google, if you new on the MIT App Inventor, or else you will redirect to the dashboard page. Okay, so now as I'm a new user, you can see I am seeing the terms of service. We will click on the terms of service button. I accept the terms of service button, and then you can see the dashboard that open in front of you. So I will click on do not show it again and click on the continue. After clicking on the continue, also close the screen. And after that you will see like this dashboard. So if you want to change this dashboard UI, and if you want to make the classic UI design, click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings, select the user interface setting, and then here go with the classic setting. Then select here classic interface style and hit the OK. Then after hitting the OK button, you will see the classic theme in front of you. So this is how the dashboard of the MIT App Inventor look like. So let's see how you can create the new project on the MIT App Inventor. Here you can see the new project button. Click on that new project button, and here enter the project name. So I'm keeping the project name my first app. Don't change anything over here. Press the OK button. After pressing the OK button, the new application or the new project will get created in front of you. Then here you will see the two options like the designer section and block section. So what is the designer section? The design section where you design your application, and the block section where you do the back end coding for your application. So if you want to learn more about the coding platform, then I already created a course on this topic that is completely free and available on our YouTube channel. That is the 2-hour free mastery course where I teach you all the things that you need to know to code your application on the Codillar. But the Codillar and MIT App Inventor both are the same thing. The link of that mastery course is given inside the description box. So now I'm clicking on the designer. So this is how you can create a new project. So if you want to change the basic thing, like if you want to change the application name, then click on this project property. After clicking on the project property, here you will see the app name. So if you want to change the icon, then here you will get the option to select. So click on the upload file, click on the choose file. After clicking on the choose file, then you need to pick a app logo, and after picking on the app logo, you can see your icon have been set. And this is how you can change the application name and application icon on the MIT App Inventor. So let's see how you can export the application on the MIT App Inventor. To export the application, click on this build, and here you will see the Android APK. So click on this Android app.apk. So you can see the progress bar, and after that progress bar completed, you will see the QR code. So you just have to scan this QR code on your Android phone, the application that you created on the MIT App Inventor. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and also share your feedback inside the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel to learn more about the MIT App Inventor. And if you want to know how you can create the face attendance application on the MIT App Inventor, then you can watch it over here. Till then, be happy, keep coding.